got a garage. Oh, baby looking wet in here. The garage is a little like busted looking. I don't know why they leave them like this and don't have the walls painted, but I gotta patch up a bunch of little holes like this and stuff all the way around, and then I'm gonna paint the walls. I think I'm gonna do like a really light gray, and then that light up there sucks really bad. It's like so orange and ugly. So I'm gonna paint the walls white, and then I'm gonna put these LEDs across the walls, and then I'm gonna do something with the floor too. I might epoxy the flooring just to make it look really nice. I know this isn't my garage and I just moved here, whatever, but I'm gonna be here for a long time, and I just want to have my own little space and just have it looking really clean. Even though this isn't my own garage, this is my first garage I've ever had. Even if it's like this small, just enough to have the Z in here. I'm gonna buy a little rack and just keep all of my detailing products right here. I just wanna make it look really nice and clean, so the Z stays clean in here too. I wanna put like a bunch of banners and stuff too. I don't know, like a big 350Z banner, Nissan banner, just like posters and stuff like that, just to make it feel at home. I don't know. Look how ugly that is, bro. That shit doesn't even light anything up. At night, it looks so dark in here, so I'm really happy. I've never had a garage, so super stoked to finally be able to garage the Z and keep it clean after 3 years of owning it. It's gonna be nice, because before I just had that like where it's just covered. Where I live at, you can get one of those, or you can get a garage, but the garages cost a little bit more. But dude, I needed that garage. I have to run over to Walmart because I completely forgot to buy tire shine. These just looking dry. Dude, this thing is so loud. Oh my god, these coal starts are no joke. Watch. This thing drums throughout like the whole place. Like whoever lives above me up there, I feel so bad because my girlfriend told me that she could hear my car from our apartment. My apartment's like over here on the side on the 3rd floor, so she can hear that. Then these people that live above me, their living room is up there. I feel bad, but I mean, hopefully they put some soundproof stuff through the walls. My favorite part is when you can see your hood so shiny. That's how you know your car's clean. So beautiful out today. Well, it's beautiful out every day out here. It's crazy. Out here in like Laguna, in this area, I swear it's always blue, 70, 80 degrees. It's always so nice out here. I feel like this is like the best place you can live at for the weather. I usually like to get Meguiar's like, it's almost like this. It's like a gel. And it works so good. But they don't have it here. Probably just gonna go with this one. Never tried this before, but we'll give it a shot. Last up to 8 weeks, huh? Doubt it. It's probably gonna last me 8 minutes. In the mornings when I'm driving my car, the turbo like flutters a lot more for like maybe like 10 minutes, and then until finally, like if I step on it a little bit more and like hit boost, the blow off valve will open up and then it'll stop fluttering. I like the flutter. Sounds so good. It's one of my favorite parts about having a boosted car too, is the sounds. A cop. Oh my, oh, another cop. And I just have the GoPro in my mouth. Oh my god. I heard the blow-off valve open up right now. It went psh. So the flutters are gone. Alright, let's see. Okay. I for sure like the Meguiar's one a lot more. This one kind of like dries up pretty fast on the tire. Doesn't really leave it looking like wet like the other one. I would recommend the Meguiar's one. It's like a purple bottle like the one I have. I still don't have furniture inside of my apartment. I haven't had time to go shopping to go see what I can find. So my girlfriend and I are gonna go shopping, looking for a couch. All right, we made it to Sofa Land. Oh, I found it. This one. Nah, the materials. This is perfect though, cause like our living room goes like this, how I want it. I mean, maybe a little bigger. Yeah, this shit is hard. This shit feels like bricks. Oh.
Oh yeah, it is hard.
It is, huh?
Brown one looks a little softer.
This one's really nice. Damn, feel this shit.
What?
Feels like concrete.
Ooh.
Oh, I like all these small little couches they have. They're really nice for like office stuff. I don't know, like an office or the garage.
Yeah, the garage.
Not the living room, the garage only. Yo, this one right here.
This one?
Be looking like King Neptune. The hell is this? Some shit my mom would like. I like that color actually. I like light
I
gray.
really like that color.
Cause there's either like that light gray or this darker gray here.
I like the lighter one better.
The lighter one? Yeah, it looks nice, huh?
Yeah.
What do you want?
This one.
$1,000 for a sofa. I could have spent that 1,000 on the Z.
You want
Nah, I'm
that
kidding.
adventure?
Huh? Look, he got abs like me. Look at it. You can feel them. Come here. So then also on the video that I did of like my full mods and everything, and then at the end like I listed how much my turbo build costed and all that stuff that went into the turbo stuff. Someone had commented on the video down below and put, I forgot what he put. He put, "Thank you for making me realize that I'm never going to be able to turbo my car." I want you guys to know that it actually took me a full year to boost my Z. I was saving all my money from work, at least like 1,000, 1,500 every month. I was saving up, and then after like I think like 5 months or something, I bought the turbo kit that was 7,250 from Boost Performance. So I bought that turbo kit, and then after that, every month I would just buy a new part. I would buy the fuel return system, then I would buy the gauges, I would buy, what else? I would buy the oil cooler, which is pretty expensive. Then I would buy the radiator, and just things like that. Every month I would buy 1 or 2 parts depending how much it cost. So it took me a full year to add everything up, but honestly that year flew by so fast. Like, anyone can do it. You guys can do it. Just save up like $1,000 every month if you can, or as much as you can, and just buy parts like that. And then sooner or later you'll have a Booster Z and you won't regret it, trust me. Like, this makes me so happy. Just hear the turbo. Dude, those noises going uphill too, so the turbo's just spooling. Yeah, this thing makes me happy, so I don't regret spending any of that money. Just think about it. If you save up like $1,000 every month, you'll boost your Z in a year. But just know that it's possible. Don't tell yourself that it's not possible, because I don't tell myself that ever with anything. When I want something, I start thinking of a plan, like instantly. Like, I start thinking, all right, this costs this much. How am I gonna do it? What am I gonna cut back on? Am I gonna eat Del Taco every day? I'm gonna get water cups every day and get lemonade off the machine without the workers looking at me. I would go out and eat with all my friends all the time, and we would go to In-N-Out, and I would always get a water cup because I didn't want to spend $2 on a drink, because I was saving up for all of my turbo stuff at the time. So I was being really cheap. So I would just get a water cup, and then my friends would make fun of me. They'll be like, damn, David with that water cup, gotta save up for that turbo kit, huh? I know anyone can do it. It just takes, honestly, just time, dedication, hard work, and you'll boost your Z, no problem. Like, I never tell myself that I can't do something. I just know it's gonna take some time.